To another video, YouTube. It's your boy Brian Felix here, bringing you guys another video. Hey man, I just want to say thank you guys so much. We're over 3,000 subscribers now. We're almost at 4, which is crazy to me. We're moving super quick, growing super fast, all thanks to you guys. So I just want to say thank you guys. Keep supporting, keep showing love, because it's gonna keep me motivated and keep me going. So as you guys see, we got the jacket on right now, and we also have the hat right here. You guys see it, this is embroidered too. This is not nothing cheap. This is good quality stuff. So if you ever want to, check out my clothing line and my merchandise, make sure you guys check out the first link in the description down below. In this video, I'm gonna go over all of the tools and products that you need to complete a full interior and exterior detail, right? So I'm gonna try to go over every little bit in piece and then show you how we use it. So stay patient with me because this is gonna be a long video. Thank you guys so much again. Hit that like button, subscribe, enjoy the video, and let's go ahead and look at our car for the day to see what condition it's in, and then we'll go ahead and get started with the detail. So let's go. All right, you guys, so this is not going to be a detailing video, if that makes sense. I'm not actually going to show you guys too much in depth what's going on, but we did charge the client $185, I believe, for the interior and exterior of this detail here. It wasn't that bad, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, like, every detail to me is not bad, but then once you get started, you're like, dang, this thing is taking me 3-4 hours to do. So it's kind of just personal judgment based off what you guys are seeing, if you think it's really bad or if it's not. But in my opinion, it wasn't in the worst condition. We've definitely seen worse cars than this. It just needed to be shampooed in that section there. But besides that, I just wanted to tell you guys that in this video, I'm not going to be trying to, show you guys the process on how I detail and stuff like that. So if you want to, video like that, make sure you guys comment down below so I can make that happen for you guys, so I can tell you what I'm looking out for, where to go, if you're like trying to get above and beyond reactions from your clients and stuff like that. So yeah, just stay tuned, enjoy the video, and let me know if you guys have any questions and concerns down below in the comment section, man. Let's get it. Alright, so what we like to do is go ahead and start with our vacuum first before we do anything to the vehicle. So here we have a rigid 4-gallon 5 peak horsepower, just typical vacuum. I'm pretty sure this is the most popular vacuum in the detailing community. And then we have an attachment here which allows us to get in between cracks and crevices, along with a 30-foot vacuum hose. So that hose was actually bought separate. I'll go ahead and link it down below, but it comes with a really short one, and it's just cumbersome and it's just annoying to have to deal with such a short hose like that trying to maneuver around the car. So definitely consider upgrading to a 30-foot hose. I'll link it down below. Alright, so you guys just saw me vacuum as well as use the vortex cleaning gun there, and that vortex cleaning gun is connected to our rigid air compressor here. I believe it's 4.5 gallon if I'm not mistaken, and it works really good, you guys. I promise you guys, you don't need anything more than this. You're able to add another hose reel if you like, but for now we just keep one, and it works really good. I believe the reel is about 50 foot as well, and it makes our job a lot easier and much quicker when it comes to vacuuming the car, or maybe even detailing. So it's definitely a very useful tool, and I can't believe I never even bought this a lot sooner. Alright, so I actually had to use the steamer on this detail, so I just went ahead and added it to the video. So this is a McCulloch steamer here. I believe it was the $199 on Amazon version. I'm not too sure which versions it was, but this is the one that obviously stands up. I think there's a smaller one that probably like lays down or something like that. This was $200 on Amazon. It came with a lot of attachments and stuff like that, so it's definitely the best bang for your buck. And it actually looks like I might need to replace mine soon. So basically, you take that top off of there, just fill it with water, make sure it's plugged in, hit that on button, and this is gonna be your best friend here, you guys. You're gonna be able to shampoo carpets, clean cup holders really nice and good, get in between the air vents and get any gum, anything candy, anything hard that's stuck on the carpet, doors, or anything like that. The steamer will make your life a lot easier, plus it looks cool. so basically we just finished steps 1 and 2, which is basically vacuum out the interior and clean up the seats. So now that we have done that and we are all done, these are a few of my detail brushes here. They're by Detail Factory, which you can also find on Amazon. You can't find that leaf, but you can find those brushes for sure, as well as these like square grayish pads and this black brush. All this stuff is on Amazon. Like I said, I'm gonna link everything down below, and I am an affiliate with Amazon, so I'll receive a small commission based off what you purchase. I promise you guys, it's probably gonna be like 20 cents for whatever you buy, or anything like less than $1. I use these towels from Sam's Club. You guys can pick them up probably online as well, but I buy them locally at Sam's Club for like 15-20 bucks for a bag, and it brings a lot of towels. So we're just gonna go ahead and grab one of each. I keep my window towels separate. Alright, so now we finished the full interior at this point, and now it's time for us to do the windows. I like to go ahead and knock out the interior glass only, just because it's part of the interior, plus it makes my job a lot easier finishing up, not having to do the inside and the outside glass. So I picked these waffle weave window towels on Amazon, and I just recently bought them. So this was actually my first time trying them, and I like them. You know, they're still fresh, so they left a little bit of lint behind, but you know, they are brand new, so I just give them the benefit of the doubt. So I'm gonna go ahead and link those down below as well. I have here my sprayway glass cleaner, and it's pretty basic. Just try to go in straight lines when you're doing glass, because it's try to avoid circles. Try to avoid any circular motions, because then you'll be more likely to create streaks and stuff like that. Alright, so we use some of this stuff on the interior here. So we use the 3D upholstery carpet and shampoo. So we use that for the carpet, of course, and then for the leather seats a little bit. And then we use this universal dressing here to dress and shine all the door panels and the trim and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys an after shot of the interior and how it turned out. But without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I'm gonna make a part 2 to this and show you guys everything that we use and do for the exterior. So make sure you guys check out the part 2. Like, comment, share, subscribe, you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hustle never settle. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get it.